How's it going, everybody? This is Sean with the Scale Model Car Guy channel here. I haven't made a video in a while. I've been sick and everything. I'm just now trying to get over it and stuff. But the video I have right now is I built this 1/28 scale Fokker Dr1 by Hobbycraft, and this is the finished picture of the video. I'll do the pictures after the video here, but I flatted the whole body, got the decals on. The only thing that I didn't do on this is do the rigging on it in the back and everything, because well, for one thing, I'm new to model airplanes and stuff, but I tried to do one of them and it was pretty hard, and I just kind of give up on it for now. I would like to learn how to do it. I just hadn't felt really good, so I just said screw it right now. And I really need to weather this kit, but I haven't really felt like it right now. But I figured, since I hadn't give y'all a video in a while, I'll just show you real quick what's going on. Like I said, hang around here and I'll show you the pictures of this. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.